Kedeng masalolo joto bai apsungno lamsugo hanyo hai athukri keriyaro o channel no naitongnai joto bai apsungno belai no hambai tini chung hanyo hai 2024 ni first notification TPSC ni tiphaikya norok nugui makhana omoni advertisement number angkha 01/2024 hingke chung tabuk o notification no details khe nailainai oro apply khainani bagui tamo qualification nangnai tai tamo post omrok chung jotono details nailainai omo hai tebo katal job ni notification rok phaikhen keno manan bagui o channel bai kwrwngui tongdi bell icon chini subscribe khairdi tai like share bo khairdi phaidingke nailaisinai o post ni mung wngkha naide sports officer group B gazetted omoni pay level wngkha 12 naide salary 42,900 ni simi 1,35,000 tai omoni department wngkha under education youth affairs and sports department tabuk seat nailainai seat kaibasuk tong seat wngkha SC kaisa ST tinta ni bisingo bwrwi rokni kaisa UR charta bwrwi rokni kaini bisingo total 8 post 8 post tongo total tabuk nailainai qualification ke nango bachelor degree from recognized university with BPEd khaijak eba khe DPEd eba khe BEd physical education eba khe diploma in coaching from NS BPEd from recognized university aboni loge 5 years experience bo nango tai permanent resident certificate tonga PRTC tonga nangnai jekhapano oro apply khainani bagui tabuk nailainai age limit hingke 40 years maximum tai SC ST hingke to 5 years relaxation means 45 years oratui omoni last date apply khaijaknai hingke 12 February 2024 bufron chimi chengnai abo nailainai norok naitongdio video no paithak joratui selection procedure hingke oro syllabus rok jotono details khe rijak tongo written exam ngai je MCQ OMR do 3 stage tongo omni selection process physical fitness test tongo abono lo written 170 mark ni abono lo interview 30 mark ni ke bufron chim form fill up chengnai abo nai japu naide omni form fill up chengnai 12 January 2024 ni simi 12 February 2024 jora 1 month cholnai form fill up khainarok di jeri manai rok tayoro form fill up khainani bagui busung nangnai hingke group B gazetted 350 hingke jotoni bagui means general rong bagui 250 hingke ST SC tai BPL card holder tai physical handicap rok tai tola tongo omoni je syllabus nangmani rok jotono rok details khe naimano omo o video ni description o boni rok link mannai tai official website link bo rirnai komrong kha jotono details tai physical fitness ni bagui details rijak oro asung nangkha omni important saklimung omo haitebo katal job ni notification phaikhen keno manui bagui channel bai kwrwngui tongdi bell icon chini subscribe khairdi tai like share bo khairdi